Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a quick and easy way of how you can change your videos to black and white using Kdenlive editor. First, drag and drop your video to project bin in Kdenlive. And now add this video to video track 1. Okay, now let's take a look at this video with no effects. So as you can see, the original video has the color, and what we want to do is change this to black and white. So we have to navigate to effects, which you can find usually here on the left or here at the top right. And now here in the search box, type in saturation. Take the saturation effect and drag and drop this onto your video in video track. Select the video, and here on saturation settings, bring down the saturation to 1. Now you can see the video becomes black and white, but there's something still missing, and what I want to do also is to find an effect called contrast. Now drag and drop contrast onto your video, and what contrast does, it kind of enhances the detail on your video, so it gives a bit more clarity. And I will increase the contrast maybe to 290, so that already makes the video more lively, as you can see. Now if I hit play again, it looks a lot better. So if I disable contrast and now enable, as you can see, it gives a bit more clarity and it looks better. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to go and render your project. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.